Click on the link below to get price. The Westinghouse 296Wh600 portable power station and solar generator is a versatile and reliable power solution for adventurers, emergency preparedness, and everyday use. Compact and lightweight, this power station is designed for portability, making it an ideal companion for camping trips, outdoor events, and tailgating. Weighing just under 8 pounds, it can easily be carried in a backpack or vehicle without adding significant bulk. The generator features a high-capacity 296Wh lithium-ion battery, providing ample power to keep essential devices running. With a peak output of 600 watts, it can handle various electronics, from smartphones and laptops to small appliances like mini coolers and lights. The unit includes multiple output options, 2 AC outlets, multiple USB ports, and a 12V DC car port, allowing users to charge or power numerous devices simultaneously. This versatility is a standout feature, accommodating diverse needs in various situations. One of the key advantages of the Westinghouse power station is its pure sine wave inverter, which ensures clean and stable power output. This is particularly important for sensitive electronics that may be affected by irregular power flows. The operating noise is minimal, making it suitable for quiet environments and nighttime use. Recharging the power station is user-friendly, with the option to recharge via AC outlet, carport, or solar panel, sold separately. Solar compatibility is a significant plus for outdoor enthusiasts who want to harness renewable energy. The integrated LED display provides real-time information on battery status and output, helping users manage their power consumption effectively. However, it's worth noting that while the capacity is impressive for portable use, it may not suffice for extended trips requiring high power consumption. Users planning on running multiple high-wattage appliances simultaneously may need to monitor their usage closely. In summary, the Westinghouse 296Wh portable power station is an exceptional choice for those seeking a portable and reliable power source, combining functionality, safety, and ease of use, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone in need of portable energy solutions.